Hi, I'm FAIZ from SUHAIMI. So today our group will present about the INDKOM Engineering Sdn Bhd company. We will start with the background of the company. This company was established in 2003 and located at Section 24 Shah Alam. This company produced and designed hardware and technology basically on electronics components. Their own product is ring main unit, which is also known as RMU. RMU is a machine that is used for switching and protection. Next, I will explain about the manufacturing process. The first manufacturing process is stamping or cutting. Next is bending, welding, grinding, painting, assembly, and lastly is testing. Now we will go in detail for each manufacturing process. First is stamping. Stamping is shaping of thin walled metal by using punches and dies where it is mounted on the hydraulic presses. The upper blade is known as punch while the below blade is known as die. It has a static movement while the shearing force is applied to the punch. The next process is bending. It is used to bend electrogalvanize the steel plate for base component and front cover component. When the force had applied to wiping die, the sheet metal will follow the shape of the below die and it will bend over into 90-degree shape. The edge bending is used to keep away the sharp edges that form due to cutting process while can also give an aesthetic look on the product.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AZRAF bin AIDIL, metric card number 2020628314, and I will continue the presentation for the manufacturing process. So, for the next manufacturing process is welding process. To fabricate this product, there are three types of welding process, which is stud welding, tungsten inert gas, and metal inert gas. So the first type of welding process is stud welding. This type of welding process is used to join the fastener, which is only need a single side process where the other side of the work is not required and work. This can reduce period of time to joining the part, thus more secure compared to the peripheral weld where it provides strong joining part. For the second welding type is tungsten inert gas, which can be known as gas tungsten arc welding. This type of welding is done on the exterior body such as backplate and metal clad of the ring main unit. The reason why we use this type of welding process is it has high quality welding can be done using this welding process. Furthermore, no spatter produced since no filler metal through the arc, but it is more complex than the other type of welding process. Lastly, for the third welding type is MIG, which is metal inert gas and can be known as gas metal arc welding. This process can be used either semi-auto or automatic process. Usually this process use constant voltage and direct current. It is used to assemble interior parts such as bushing bracket and the cover in the extrusion shaft. So for the next manufacturing process is grinding. For this process, it is important process in making a product because it can produce fine finish. This process is done after welding process, which is to remove any excess filler metal or defects from welding so that they can provide high surface quality. In this process, grinding will use as abrasive tool and done manually by the workers by using hand grinder. For the next part after manufacturing process of grinding is painting. For this manufacturing process, it used to paint all the part of ring main unit. As you can see on this slide, there's in the picture above, there is a workstation of painting the product. The method used of this painting process is the spray painting, which consists of coated film drying. all the parts are being painted with powder coating in orange color. For the thickness required to paint the product is 12 micron per 5 taps. To the next manufacturing process, which is SMD process. This is the final steps in making the product ring main unit. After finish painting, the parts will be assembled in factory. It consists of two parts, which is base and main. Both parts are assembled separately before combined as one. Okay, we move to the final manufacturing process, which is product testing. This product testing is to ensure that the product can be used and functioning well. Several tests had been done during this process, which is short circuit test, dielectric test, temperature rise test, mechanical test, and internal arc test. This test also done by the help of computer system where it will display the chart of the product performance. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AZMI BHD and I will be presenting about design concept. Basically, design concept is the structure to develop the product. The first for the design concept is blueprint. The design department of the company will create or draw the design using design software. After they create the drawing, they will analysis using finite element analysis, so that they will know if the product will fail or not. If the product success, they will fabricate the product using mechanical process such as welding, grinding, and others, so that they will create by the product by part, and then they will assembly the product to make they will assemble the part to make the one product. After they assemble the product, they will test the product, like the Azraf mentioning about the testing, so that they will pass for the quality check, so that the product can go to customer. The next is quality insurance. So basically, the quality insurance is basically the company motto for the product. So they responsible to ensure our part from supplier exceed our stringent quality standard and continuously monitor our product in process activity, which in turn deliver us only the best product from the production line. It means the motto for the product is they will make the best product from the production line to the finish line. Next is product produce. Basically, this is the two product that the company had created, so it famous which the many area is used. The first product is ring main unit and S2 for monitorized. Basically, we can find this RMU in building or in factory. So it this product is small and compact, so it can easily be installed to anywhere. Secondly, this is low maintenance requirement, and the temperature for the product can withstand is negative 20 Celsius to 50 Celsius, so that they is suitable for the factory temperature, for example. Uh, the next product produced is compact substation unit 100 kV. So basically, this product is installed to resident place. The product is installed because it can withstand the temperature, humidity, rain, and as well solar radiation condition. It means it can withstand any eclipse and any temperature. The next is the compact substation unit is installing on site easy and fast. It means the time taken to install uh, the compact substation unit is short. Lastly, because of the life expectancy of the compact efficient unit is 15 years, it means the maintenance for this product is free. That's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, my friend. It's almost to the end of our presentation, but before that, my name is Muhammad ANAQI bin Saharuddin, and my metric card number is 2020452676. Okay, let's not waste of our time. As you can see, there are several processes that were involved in the making of the ring main unit, or to be called RMU. The process that have been used to form RMU are stamping process, laser cutting process, bending process, welding process, grinding process, painting process, assembly and testing process. But the major process involved to form this product is welding process. Gas tungsten arc welding, or GTOR, and gas metal arc welding, GMOR, are used to assemble all the independent parts together. The product RMU is being target unit per day is 16 to 22. So we being do our research at INDKOM company. Okay, let's proceed. We peel our contents a bit. We take three processes, which are welding process, painting process, and cutting process. So we go through to the welding process. Welding process have two, which are GTOR and GMOR. And GTOR done on the exterior body, such as backplate and metal clad of RMU. The reason why is GTOR is high quality welding, better than GMOR, and it's easier for cleaning post weld since no flux involved. And lastly, GTOR no spatter since no filler metal. So for the GMOR done on the interior part, such as bushing bracket and cover of the excursion shaft. So we go through the painting process, which is spray painting. The operation consists of coated film drying, and the paint that used is combination of paint diluted with thinner, and the product parts are being painted with powder coating in orange color. As you can see, the RMU is being painted in orange color, and the thickness of the paint is 12 micron and per 5 tab. And lastly, the cutting process. The company use two machine for cutting process, which are laser cutting machine and CNC hydraulic shearing machine. Laser cutting machine is used to cut small part such as pedestal and other small components, while CNC hydraulic shearing machine is used to cut larger parts such as sheet metal to form metal clad and backplate. Okay, lastly is continuous quality improvement, or CQI. CQI means the problem solving for the company to improve the quality of the product. So here's some preventive step that can be applied in order to avoid machine from breakdown and cause losses, such as in term of material and overhead. So one of the step is separate maintenance department, and separate maintenance department can be created to solve this kind of issue. The department should be consisting of several experienced and skilled engineers, which is their role to only maintain the equipment involved, so that they in their peak performance. It would be wise to also include inside the department a few apprentices that will one day replace these skilled engineers when they left the company in the future. Besides, scheduled preventive maintenance was also an option. Preventive maintenance is a preservation process that was performed regularly to the specific equipment to lessen the probability of the equipment failing. Preventive maintenance are done while the equipment is still working to prevent it from the breaking down unexpectedly. preventive maintenance can help to keep the equipment in the top condition and their life cycle preserved. Besides, if the maintenance were done at night when the equipment was not used, it is much better, since during the day the equipment will be used, and hence this will not affect the production process, and the quota of the product to be produced per day can be maintained. So that's it from me, and that's it from us. It's already the end of our presentation. That's all. Thank you. Godspeed.